double review. As you can see by the title. You already know what I'm doing a double review on, so I don't even have to say. But whatever. But I will anyway, because I feel like it. So, double review. Okay, I'm going to be doing a, I was listening to what my mom was doing. I'm going to be doing a double review of the
Twist and shout addition.
And the
Twist and shout subtraction.
We have the addition and the subtraction. Nothing like hitting two hits at the same time. Okay. Okay, let's review. Let's review. We'll save the best for last. We'll review the subtraction afterwards. I mean, the addition has its good qualities. Well, it only has one good quality in my opinion. Actually, two. It's high pitched, and it has, well, the one I discovered first. It has a better hit it. Mine does. So my subtraction over there. I mean, it works better. Like, sometimes if you hit it on this one, it won't register, so you might have to hit it multiple times. On this one, you only have to hit it once. On here, you might have to hit it maybe 2, 3 times. Okay, and then, let's review the addition, because it's not as good. I mean, the subtraction, you can spam it by using Super Solver, which is the game mode on here.
Twist and shout subtraction.
Which I will
Get
show
ready
briefly.
to twist it. Super Solver.
That's all I'm showing. You can play that one and, spam the game. But, okay, is that one set to medium? There's a little switch right here. Well, on the far right is the hit it button, raised on a cylindrical type piece thing. And by the way, this whole game is cylinder. Next, there's a little notch, not like cut into it, but like the opposite way. It's not in, it's the other way, it's out. So it's a little notch facing outwards, like a little bump there. Then, of course, the hit it button. And switch, volume switch. Low, medium, on. In the middle is medium, of course, the top is high. And next to that is a screen. And then you got, this is on the left part of the game now. You got 2 dials. A turn, or this is I'm quoting this particular quote exactly from Pixel's review of the Division. They turn or twist. Yeah, that's exactly what he said. Yeah, but that's right. They twist, and they're not like dials that you turn like with your fingers. They're like rings wrapped around the whole cylinder. They're not just like little knobs. These are like rings around the cylinder that turn. By the way, my addition rattles when I turn the knobs. I meant to say the dials, but I mixed dials and knobs. You turn the knobs or the dials. And then the dial that turns it on and selects the games and everything. It's a 5-position dial. It's like the other two. It wraps around the whole thing.
Twist and shout. Twist.
Yeah, but there's an end to that one. On both ends there. And on these ones, there's no end. You can turn it. Look. And you don't have to ever stop. Yeah. These twisting dials. You know the two other ones I'm talking about. Not the like the 5 position one. They have two. Have 15 things on there. Yeah, they have little symbols on these rubber little ring dials. They have this symbol. Let's start with 0. They have numbers on them. There's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is that my 12? And then they have a lightning bolt symbol, which I will get to. But it's shaped like a lightning bolt. And then they have a symbol that's shaped like a clock, which I will also get to. So 0 to 12 is 13 symbols. 0 to 12, and then the lightning symbol and the clock symbol on both dials. And then let's just set it to the lightning symbol. And if you hold the hit it button and turn it on, it does beep, and then hit it 3 times. Well, it does 3 separate things when you hit it, but you don't have to hit it like 3 times fast. Well, if you do once, it's silence. Twice, it beeps. And the 3rd time, it does static. And the 4th time, it does all the sounds. People may not approve of me showing that, the test mode for it, but I don't care anymore. I really don't. I don't care. And then, so, on the very far left is a string coming out of the left side of it. And you can hang it on something, like a hook. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but yeah, it's there. Don't ask me why a person would want to hang their electronic game on something. Don't ask me why, because I don't know. Okay, so the first game mode, when you first turn on, the first position is off. The second position is the first game, which is called Math Master.
Math Master. The more you listen, the smarter you get. Twist it for a question.
When you're on the clock symbols, which are time bender symbols, yeah, they're called time bender. There's a game that'll say twist both dials to time bender, and you have to twist both dials to the little clock symbol. I cannot speak today. Which is the time bender symbol. Because the 4th and last game is called time bender.
Ready to twist it. Time bender. Answer as many questions as you can before time bends past 90 seconds.
Yeah, that game's really fun. I like it. So let's do Math Master, which is the game when the first click on the dial.
Math Master.
The more you listen, the smarter you get.
Twist it for a question.
You have to twist both dials to a random number. I'm just turning them. Turning the left one first, the one on the far left. And then twisting the one right next to it. Okay, let me see what numbers it's set at, because that's still at the time bender symbol. Okay. Now this one is at 9, and this one is at 4. So when I hit it, and you determine this by which one is directly in front of the notch. Well, it's a ways like a few, like 5-6 inches, like 5 inches in front of it, but which one is in front of the notch on the hit it piece? And that would be 4 and 9. So hit it.
4 plus 9 is 13.
And yeah, it just tells you the answer to all of these math problems. So we turn it on both ones.
4 plus 7 is 11. 8 plus 1 is 9.
And yeah, let's set it back to the clock symbol, because that's where I can explain everything. When it just says twist it. When I say twist it, it can't do anything unless it's on time bender. The clock symbol. The lightning symbol I can do plenty with. I will show you what happens if you turn both dials to the lightning symbol on Math Master. Makes the lightning sound, and then
0 plus 0
just add on.
is
0 plus 0 is 1 plus 0, then 2 plus 0, then 3 plus 0, 4 plus 0, 5 plus 0, and once it gets to 12.0 or 12 plus 0,
Hit it.
it will do 0 plus 1,
Hit
1
it
plus
or
1.
miss it.
Yeah, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1.
Hit it.
Baby, just hit my mom.
Hit it.
Look. It either does 0 plus 1 or 1 plus 0.
1
Okay, 1 does
plus
1
0
plus 0
is
is 1.
1.
And now, another book on the clock. Thanks. Let's turn it one more. This is the second game.
Quiz time. Twist it for a question.
So what's that? It's random numbers. It'll tell you how you play it after you
Hit it.
hit it.
Hit it.
So 10 and 8 now. I'm going to hit it.
Correct answers get you points. Hit it when you hear the right answer. Good luck.
So 10 plus 8 are the numbers, and you have to wait for the right answer for it to say the right answer to that problem, and then you hit it.
36. 18. Check it out.
Yeah, that's how that game works.
9 plus 4 is 13. Chalk one up. 4 plus 10 is 12. 36. 14. Yeah!
And
Hit it! It's a double blaster.
let's go for double points.
Good luck.
Oh, I did the lightning symbol on one of the dials.
2
Oh, it's the one on the far left.
plus 9 is 11.
There you go.
You got it.
And a double blasters will give you 2 points instead of 1 point for that question. For that one question.
Hit it.
Excuse me.
Hit it or miss it.
Yeah, that's enough of the quiz time.
Lightning quiz. Turn a dial to lightning.
Yeah, so this dial's already at lightning,
Plus
so
9 is 20.
The dial that's set to lightning, they want you to set it to what plus 9 is 20, which is 11.
Hit it. Twist the dial to answer and
I'm trying to find 11. Jeez. Okay, here we go.
that's the ticket.
And you can even set both dials to lightning like this. And then have this one set to lightning. And then hit it, it'll do what plus what.
What
And then you have to find
plus what
a good answer for the problem.
is 14.
For the answer 14. So let's set both dials to 7 because 7 plus 7 is 14. But also 6 plus 8. And
Twist the dial to answer and hit it.
9 plus 4, 10 plus,
Twist the dial
9
to answer
plus
and
5, 10 plus 4, 11 plus 3, all those, but 7 plus 7.
try again.
What the heck?
What?
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now let's set this dial to lightning, the second one, instead of the first one this time.
7 plus what is 17.
We always say what for the second, or the dial that's set to lightning. So 10 plus 10 is 17. So,
You got another one.
and then let me actually turn the second dial to 6
Hit it.
and the second dial to lightning. Or the second dial to 6
Hit it.
and the first dial to lightning. So here we go. It's on lightning.
What plus 6 is 9. You got another one.
Huh? It hasn't even given me my score. Okay. Weird. Oh, right. I'm only at 4 points. Oops.
Hit it. What plus 0
0
is 10.
well, 10, duh. Okay.
Twist the dial to answer and
I'm
hit
about to, so shut up. Here we go.
it. Chalk one up.
No.
You scored 5 points.
Here you have it. Now, fourth and final game, which I've already showed you a preview of.
Time bender. Answer as many
This
questions as you
is we have to set both dials to time bender, which is right here.
Both dials to time bender. Hit it. Let's go.
No one's actually done a full review of this game.
Hit it.
Pixel did a full review of the division, but nobody's done a review of the addition, subtraction, or multiplication. And that's why I'm planning to change that. I don't have a multiplication. Oh, give me. Just after the dials are set to time bender, it'll say this.
When you hear the right answer, your 90 seconds starts now. 2 plus 8.
Yeah, it's basically like quiz time when you don't turn the dials. By the way, you can skip the victory sound here. Like, just to make the time go faster, you know.
Is 21. 12.
Just to save time, you know. Come on, skip the sound already. Okay, there we go.
Is 14. 18. 9. Plus 7. Is 16. 8. Plus 6. Is 14. 9. Plus 7. Is 65. 16. 5. Plus 9. Is 15. 14. 7. Plus 4 is 11. 2 plus 10 is 13. 12. 0 plus 4
No, that should be 4.
is 5. 4. 7 plus 4 is
11.
11. 8 plus 2 is 10. 5 plus 12 is 17. 7. You can breathe now.
That's the record for time bender right there.
Correct answer.
14.
Ready to play again?
Correct answers.
Hit it.
Yes, that's the record for time bender. There you have it, guys. That is a review of the Twist and Shout edition. But we're not done yet.
Twist and shout subtraction.
Yep. Now for this one does not have a lightning symbol, so this one does not have lightning, so the only symbols on here are 0 to 12 and then the time bender symbol on these dials. I like to use dials a little bit better. They turn better. Now let me set the dials to time bender really quickly. I'm on 6. And by the way, the dials are on the far right now instead of the far left. It's reversed. The screen and the volume switch is on the far left next to the game switch dial. Like the thing that turns it on and everything. That's still in the same place, but the volume switch is right next to that, then the screen, and then the dials, and then the hit it button. Oh, and the strap is still on the left. So now, let me turn that one, and turn this one. So now they're both on time bender. Let me hold the button. Come on. See, I told you have to hit it a few times. There you go.
Get ready to twist it. Minus twist and shout subtraction. Twist the blue dial. Twist the green dial.
And just like the division, this one actually says the colors of the dial. So the one closer to the hit it button is blue, the one farther from the hit it button is green. So the dial I'm turning now, you can't tell the difference between the sounds of the dials, but the one I'm turning now is the green one. The one I'm turning now is the blue one. So first game mode is Math Master, then Quiz Time, and then Time Bender is of course the fourth one, but the third one is different. The third one is Super Solver. But let's set it to Math Master.
Get ready to twist it.
more you listen, the smarter you get.
Twist it for a question.
Let's do this. By the way, it picks the first number for you. The green dial is the answer to the question.
Hit it.
The green dial is the second number of the question, and the unit decides the first number.
18.
18 minus 10 is 8.
8. 19. 18. 17. 18.
How I'm making that number change is
20. Minus 10 is 21.
by turning the blue dial.
22. 21. 22. 23. 24. Minus twist the green dial. 24. 23.
Now I'm turning both dials to make it do this.
18. Minus 10 is 11. Minus 7. Minus 3. 3. Minus 3 is 0. Minus 0 is 0.
So we had a little fun there, so quiz time.
Quiz time. Twist it for a question.
Yep, it's right. Quiz time. So let's set that one
Hit it.
to 9. And then now this blue one to not 0. Let's set a different number. Okay, this one is
Hit it.
5. So something minus 9.
Hit it.
No, it would be 9 minus 5.
Correct one. Minus 9
Oh, what minus 9?
is 5. 24. 14. Yeah.
I basically just added 9 plus 5 on the dials, and that would give me
Hit it.
what minus 9 is 5. So
Hit it. What? Minus 4 is 0.
4 plus 0 is 4. So
4.
4 minus 4 would be 0.
Yeah.
This is really a fun game if you think about it.
What? Minus 4
So 4 plus 4 is 8.
is 4.
So 8.
8. Chalk one up.
Let's see this last question.
What? Minus 0 is 1.
1.
0. 5. 1. Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Twist the green dial for a question.
Oh, that one's a time bender.
What? Minus 6 is 10.
16.
16. You got it. You scored 5 points.
And then super solver.
Super solver. Twist the green dial for a question. Twist the blue dial to answer. Correct answers get
Why the
points.
green dial
Get
set at
ready
10
to
because
twist
this
it.
is the easy way.
21.
The 21,
Minus
we all know
10.
minus 10 is 11, so.
That's 13.
And then set it to 3, of course.
Try it
That's
again.
3.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is how you,
20
and we all know, of course, 10.
is what? 19. 19. 17. 18. 12. Minus 20. Minus 10. 11. Minus 17. Minus 20. Minus 16. Minus 12.
I better stop before I get too carried away.
17. 12.
I could do this all day. This is so easy. Well, I did do this all day one time. Well, not all day, but like for a good while.
Hit it. 18.
I'm gonna go until
You got
it
another one.
stops. Well,
17.
until I get a good, until I get a score.
That's the ticket. 18.
Until it announces a score,
Yeah.
which is right here.
You scored 20 points.
Okay, 20 points. So next game, we all know is time bender.
Time bender. Answer as many questions as you can before
Time bends past 90 seconds.
Twist both dials to time bender. Hit it when you hear the right answer. Your 90 seconds start now. 19 minus 9
10.
is 20. 10 is 7
Oops.
minus 6
I'm not good time bender on here.
12.
1.
5.
1.
1. 8. 5.
See, I'm not good at it.
Is 6.
1, stupid.
1. 8. Minus 5. Is 5.
I think I have to do it like this.
3. 9.
I know y'all can't hear it very well because it's on the carpet, but
Is
to hit
11.
the hit it button better.
Minus 5.
Oh, y'all can still hear
Is
that.
28.
A little bit, at least.
6. 18. Minus 12. Is 6. 6. 9.
Come on, thing.
Minus 3. Is 6. 9. Minus 7. Is 16.
Come on, 2.
2. 3. Minus 1. Is 0. 4. 18. Minus 6. Is 14. 12. 16. Minus 9. Is 7. 14. Minus 8. Time's up.
Not good.
You got 12. Correct.
That was okay, but
Ready to play again?
no. Well, that was the Twist and Shout edition and the Twist and Shout. Hope y'all enjoyed.